What's going on, guys? It's your boy Devin, or Tataki, back with a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another tutorial video. Today is not graphic designing, of course, but today we're going to be showing you guys how you guys can make an intro just like mine. You guys probably have seen what my intro looks like, and most of you guys are asking if I make intros. But I don't make intros, but I know how to make intros within 2 minutes, and they're pretty easy to make. You don't need any software or like Blender or like Cinema 4D. You don't need one of those programs. You don't need a good computer for this. You guys are pretty good. You can probably do this on your phone. I've done this on my tablet before, and it's kind of crazy how it works. But and let's get started. So we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna go look up Panzoid.com. So this is what Panzoid.com looks like. I use this for my intros. You probably might have seen my intro here before, but this is a good place to find intros. So like you guys can like look up anything. There's a trending tab. So you got a latest tab, you got a top tab, like everybody that has one, like the same one or something. And you can follow other people that make creations too. You can go to the search tab and look up like a red one. Like, what if I want a red one, huh? But a lot of them look pretty old. That's why I always usually go to like the latest or trending ones, because the trending ones look more newer. This one looks pretty cool. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and pick one, and we're gonna go ahead and make one. So I really like this lava intro. This lava intro looks pretty cool. I'm gonna click on this one. I'm gonna go over here where it says open and clip maker. Click on it. Alright, so this is where we set up our intros now. So we're gonna go over here to this IPs thing, and we click on it, so we'll be able to see the intro in action. So we'll be able to see what it previews, what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and press the play button here. So like if I like it, I'll be like, okay, that's the intro I want to use. So I'll to like change the font on it and to see like what I want to use, I'm gonna go ahead and move the player back to here so I can be able to see what the text looks like when I'm putting my name in. So I go to this object tool right here, and then where it says text, this is where you're gonna click on, and then go where it says name, highlight this and delete it, and then put in your name. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my name, Tateki. Usually you need to put all caps. Some of them you don't have to put all caps. Everything else here on the bottom you don't need to change. They're already like presetted for you to change. And everything else here you just like change your name. Some intros they have like a weird font to it, so you can change your own font here, but leaving it at custom is okay because that's what the font used to look. That's what the font is normally set as for this template. And we're gonna go and put this, boom, this is Tateki now. So we're gonna go and preview this and then press play. So we're gonna move this highlighter thing back. So now since we're finished with that, since we want our intro to be like that, we go down to this download button here. And then we don't change anything here. We leave this at balance. We leave this at MKV. We're gonna change it back to MP4 in a bit right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start rendering the video. So the video takes about like a minute or like about a minute or a minute and a half. Alright, so our video has done downloading or rendering. So your render is now finished. Click the link below to download. So go ahead and download. The download takes pretty easy because it's only like a 10-second video. Alright. So our video is already rendered, but we can't put it in our editing software because it's an MKV and it won't let us use it. But we will to see it, but we can't use it in our video because our video won't render it, and videos don't usually render MKVs. MKVs are more like an HTML kind of type of video that you see on a website, but you can't usually upload it to anything. So to render it and to make MP4, we'll be able to use it in anything, in any or editing softwares. So I have found this website. It's called Online Video Converter. You can usually download like YouTube videos here from stuff, but I usually use this for mainly just for converting a video to like pretend I have a video that I want to convert into an MP3 or MP4, and I go to convert a video file. And it says select or drop a file. So I'm gonna go and grab this file, and drop it on this website. So now the video has been converted. Now the video has been established. We're gonna go ahead and pick a video format. So the video format for this one is gonna be an MP4 because obviously we want to be able to use it in our editing software. And go press start, and our video can be processed. Alright, so now our video has been processed. Then we're gonna go ahead and press download. So if you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys have any help on this video, make sure to comment. I'll comment back as fast as possible. I always comment to every video. I comment to every comment, so if you guys want to go ahead and put a comment, make sure to put a comment. I'll like you guys. I'll like you guys, and yeah. So if you guys like the video, make sure to like. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. This has been your boy Devin or Tateki, and I'm out. Peace out, guys.